Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30SE, and I'll show you all the box accessories while watch device comes. So first we should open the box here, and after that we'll show the first thing that we can see that the TCL device. After that here we can see the SIM jack tool, some paperwork like the warranty letter, the safety guide, the quick start guide, and the charger brick, the original one, the TCL with all of the specs here, and also we have here the USB Type-C cable. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.